Friends, today in this video I am going to teach you that how you can fix battery drain problem in MIUI on any smartphone, and the trick will work very smoothly on any device. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to do three settings that are essential and important. Essential. So you need to go to settings, then you need to go to battery and performance, then you need to tick this one. That will be untick on your smartphone, so you need to tick on this. Go to app battery saver. After all, I'm not too much good in English, so manage this. So you need to click on show system app, then you need to click on select all, then you need to click on battery saver recommended and click on OK. The third and the most important setting that will work as a pro tip for your device, that is, you need to click on this one icon and it will be turned on. You need to turn it off, so that will save your battery. And the last one setting is that you need to go to, then you need to click on this and you need to tick only settings and calendar. You need to click on this and click on revoke. That's all you need to do to save battery. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe if you feel good.